So now we'll discuss about advanced oxidation processes. In advanced treatment technology. So what is the process? Advanced oxidation process is characterized by generation of hydroxyl radical OH ion, जिसको हम OH ion hydroxyl radical कहते हैं. It can be used to destroy the wide range of the pollutants, जिनकी हम पीछे बात कर चुके हैं. Pollutant in the sense like BOD, COD, TSS, correct? Major pollutants we can reduce by hydroxyl ions in case of advanced oxidation process. So the efficiency of this system is maximized by the use of appropriate catalyst, enzyme. Catalyst क्या? ऐसा कोई भी means chemical which can make fast the reaction, like H2O2 कई पर reaction को बढ़ाता है. So any catalyst are ultraviolet rays, light. In this case, the objective of this AOP is to use the system which produce the OH ion, because major factor in the oxidation process is only hydroxyl ion. So we have to use maximum hydroxyl ion in the system. Then this hydroxyl ion, OH ion, can reduce your pollutants. And alternate of this hydroxyl ion is SO4, sulfate ion, sulfate radical ion. So these radical ions react with the majority of the organic substances, COD or BOD or some other chemical pollutants, at the rate approaching the diffusion control limit. So there are two types of advanced oxidation processes. One is heterogeneous and other one is homogeneous. These are some reduction potentials. Like in case of fluorine, oxidation potential is 3.03, hydroxyl radical OH के लिए 2.80, atomic oxygen 2.42 potential is there. Oxygen, simple oxygen के 1.23, bromine के लिए 1.09. So you can see means in the reducing order, fluorine oxidant can work maximum, and this is having more oxidation potential. So we can use this fluorine as a radical. Next, what are the advantages? Advantages are, first one is that effectively eliminate means they can reduce the contaminants. Any radical in case of oxidation process, we are using the free radicals. They eliminate the organic compound from aqueous phase. Aqueous phase, जहाँ पानी ज़्यादा है, aqueous phase. So rather than collecting and transferring the pollutant in another phase, means in the first phase only, पहला phase जो है. Due to remarkable reactivity of hydroxyl ion, it virtually react with almost every type of pollutant. Heavy metal can be also reduced by this system.